Got those bodies out of there. Got a Lambeau leap in you, Aaron? Go take it.
Who's the happiest guy in the stadium? You think it's Ted Thompson? Think he's got a shot at it, carried away, but somebody would start to write a column that began with how the torch was passed just on that particular play.